Namaste friends. Welcome back to the channel, your daily dose of pure price action and smart trading insights. In today's video, we'll do a detailed analysis for Thursday's Nifty market using our support and resistance framework. We won't predict direction today, instead, we'll focus on the levels that will decide NIFTY's movement tomorrow. These are the same precision-based levels that guide our intraday strategy every single session. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because every level I discuss could act as a major reversal or breakout zone. Coming to overview, let's start with the baseline. The yellow line on the chart represents the previous day's closing price, around 25,833. This baseline acts as the central reference. Anything above it indicates bullish momentum building, while any sustained move below it reflects short-term bearish pressure. So, remember, this yellow line is your neutral zone. The market will pick its direction once it moves away from this line with strength. Resistance levels now. Let's talk about the resistance zones, where selling pressure could emerge. R1, 25,927. This is the first hurdle. If Nifty tries to climb, watch for rejection candles or wicks here. If it breaks above with strong volume, we could see momentum building. R2, 25,985, a clean move above R2 can signal short covering or fresh buying from institutions. R3, 26,043, this is an intraday turning point level. Often, this level decides if the breakout will sustain or fade out. R4, 26,101, a zone where positional traders might start booking partial profits. R5, 26,159, this acts as a strong resistance cluster. If Nifty reaches here too quickly, expect volatility. R6, 26,217, the final ceiling for the day. If price sustains beyond this zone, it signals a high confidence breakout, but always confirm with volume and candle strength. Each of these resistance levels could act as entry or exit triggers for short-term traders. So on Thursday, monitor how Nifty behaves around R1 and R2 initially. That often sets the tone for the first half of the session. Support levels. Now let's flip the chart and talk about the support zones, where buyers might step in. S1, 25,789, this is the first intraday support. If Nifty opens weak, watch this zone closely. S2, 25,731, a critical support for momentum traders. Breaking below this could trigger stop losses for intraday longs. S3, 25,646, this is an important pivot. A clean breakdown below this zone could invite aggressive selling. S4, 25,551, this is often where reversal patterns appear, so observe price action carefully. S5, 25,493, if Nifty reaches here, the sentiment may turn defensive. S6, 25,403, this is the final line of defense for Thursday's session. Any breakdown below S6 could extend weakness further. Each support level gives an opportunity for short covering or fresh accumulation, depending on the price structure and candle behavior. Trading strategy zones. Here's how to approach the market using these zones. If price is trading between the baseline and R1, the market is indecisive. Wait for a clear breakout or breakdown. If price breaks above R1 and sustains, look for follow-up candles to confirm strength. If Nifty falls below S1, wait for confirmation. If it sustains, momentum could shift to the downside. Avoid overtrading between levels. Instead, mark your key zones and trade only when momentum candles appear near these lines. Remember, Thursday being closer to expiry, option premiums may decay faster, so intraday timing is everything. Coming to final conclusion, our key zone for Thursday is between 25,789 on the downside and 25,927 on the upside. That's the battle zone. Once Nifty breaks either side decisively, we'll get the directional clarity. Above R3, strength could accelerate. Below S3, weakness can deepen. I'll update the final directional bias on Thursday morning after reviewing global cues, including US markets, Asian indices, USD INR, and crude trends, so don't miss that video. If you found this analysis useful, hit the like button, share it with your trading community, and subscribe for daily precision-based Nifty analysis.